Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation covers the Diagnostic Trouble Code, or DTC P25E5, which indicates a malfunction in the Variable Valve Timing Control, or VTC, B system. This issue arises when the phase difference between the phase control command generated by the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, and the actual phase of the exhaust camshaft falls out of a specified range. The exhaust camshaft plays a crucial role in higher RPM performance, allowing the timing of the exhaust valves to open and close at the optimal moments for engine efficiency. This phase control discrepancy can lead to decreased engine performance, poor fuel economy, and increased emissions. Knowing the components involved and their functions is vital for accurate troubleshooting and repairs. The following slides will guide you through a comprehensive troubleshooting process for DTC P25E5. The DTC P25E5 signifies a malfunction within the Variable Valve Timing Control B system, triggered by a noticeable discrepancy in the phase relationship of the exhaust camshaft. When the PCM detects that the actual phase does not align with the phase command, it records this error code. The VTC system primarily consists of the variable valve timing components like the VTC solenoid valves, specifically valve B, and the control passages. The camshaft's position is crucial because the exhaust camshaft controls the timing for exhaust valve operations. This mechanism is located in the engine's cylinder head assembly, providing immediate control over valve timing, essential for optimal engine efficiency. The exhaust valves open and close tightly to manage the expulsion of exhaust gases, thus influencing the vehicle's overall performance. Several factors can lead to the emergence of DTC P25E5. Firstly, a low engine oil pressure condition can significantly affect the VTC system's operation. Insufficient oil pressure can hamper the movement of the solenoids that control the timing of the camshaft, resulting in errors. Secondly, a malfunction in the VTC solenoid valve B may directly impact its ability to manage the camshaft's timing effectively. If the solenoid fails, it cannot perform the prescribed adjustments as commanded by the PCM. Lastly, the presence of debris or clogs in the VTC system oil passages could obstruct the flow of oil, leading to a failure in the camshaft control system. Any of these scenarios create conditions that trigger the DTC, necessitating thorough inspection and testing. You may notice various symptoms if the P25E5 DTC has been triggered. One prominent indicator is the appearance of warning messages on the vehicle's dashboard, indicating an issue with the VTC system. Alongside these warnings, the overall engine performance may noticeably decline. You might experience sluggish acceleration or rough idling. There can also be a reduction in fuel efficiency, as an improperly functioning VTC system adversely affects the combustion process. Additionally, increased emissions may present a concern, especially as the vehicle's onboard diagnostics detect issues affecting engine efficiency. It's essential to act on these symptoms, as they can compound into more significant mechanical problems if left unaddressed. For the troubleshooting of DTC P25E5, begin with Step 1 by ensuring the vehicle is in the on mode. This preliminary action prepares the system for diagnostics. Once the vehicle is in the on mode, access the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, and select the EX VTC. This function focuses specifically on the Variable Valve Timing Control system. Subsequently, observe the results displayed by the HDS. If the HDS reports "not okay," this indicates that the fault has been successfully duplicated and further diagnosis is warranted. Ensuring the HDS connection is properly established is vital. as any errors in this step could lead to inconclusive results. Accurate readings from the HDS are crucial for identifying the underlying issues present in the VTC system. Proceed to Step 2, which involves a test drive of the vehicle. The goal here is to drive at a steady speed between 25 and 75 miles per hour for approximately 10 minutes. This action simulates normal driving conditions and allows the VTC system to operate under stress. After the drive, confirm that the HDS displays an EX-VTC status indicating that it is on. This will show the system is functioning within the designated parameters. Additionally, monitor the onboard diagnostics (OBD) status for the specific DTC P0014. This DTC is typically related and may indicate another underlying issue in conjunction with P25E5. Documenting all observations during this step will aid in the accurate identification of any failing components. After performing the necessary repairs indicated by the troubleshooting steps for DTC P25E5, a final verification of the repairs is essential. Begin by confirming that all recommended repairs have been properly conducted and that all components within the VTC system, including the solenoid valves and passages, are functioning. Subsequently, execute any diagnostic checks to ensure that the system operates smoothly without abnormal readings. If all checked systems appear normal, it is prudent to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes from the PCM to reset the monitoring system. This step will enable the vehicle's computer to create a new baseline for performance. Finally, run a short test drive again to confirm that the previously identified symptoms have been rectified and that the DTC does not reappear. To avoid future occurrences of DTC P25E5 and maintain optimal engine performance, implementing a solid preventive maintenance routine is highly recommended. Firstly, ensure that engine oil changes are performed regularly according to the manufacturer's specifications. Fresh oil not only maintains proper lubrication, but also helps in the smooth operation of the VTC components. Secondly, routinely inspect the VTC system components, including solenoid valves and oil passages. Catching any signs of wear or malfunction early on can save significant time and expense in the long run. Lastly, ensure that the oil passages remain free of debris and clogs. Implementing periodic cleaning can improve oil flow and system efficiency while keeping the engine operating at peak performance. This comprehensive maintenance strategy helps in minimizing the risk of DTC reoccurrences. In conclusion, DTC P25E5 is a critical indicator of a malfunction within the variable valve timing control B system of the Honda CR-V. Understanding the role of the VTC system is essential. It significantly impacts engine performance and overall vehicle efficiency. By following the structured troubleshooting steps outlined, technicians can accurately diagnose and address underlying issues promptly. Awareness of potential causes and symptoms allows for a proactive approach in maintenance and repair. Lastly, implementing preventive measures is vital to ensure a long and trouble-free operation of your Honda CR-V. Regular servicing and immediate attention to warning signs can collectively contribute to enhanced driving experiences and improved vehicle longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.